All right, today we're going to be talking about the Heat Wagon-Thaw Devil TD600. This is our TD600 start procedure. This is what we're going to be doing in the video today. Notice the QR code at the bottom. This QR code will send you right to these videos on YouTube, as well as our manuals and a reference to the quick start procedure. We're going to be talking about a cold start procedure with the generator off, nothing running. We're going to confirm that our burner and our pump are in the off position. Before turning on the machine, we're going to verify oil level and that the fuel is on. Your oil dipstick is located on the front of the unit. Clean, reapply. And we're going to verify that it is within the spec. This unit takes 2.5 quarts of 10W30. The internal fuel on-off switch is here. This is in the on position. This is the off position. This is the external fuel off and on. Verifying that the pump and the burner are in the off position, we can now start the generator. We're going to go ahead and turn the key engine off, key on, and to the next detent to know that the glow plugs are working. You may have to repeat this step 3 to 4 times depending on outside temperature. Once you feel that it is set, go ahead and fire it up. The engine will go into a high rev. The idle control must be in the on position, and it will go ahead and idle down. Once the generator is running and all of your breakers are still in the off position, you can go ahead and start laying out your grid. Do not turn on the pump or the burner yet. Once your grid is laid out, your supply temperature gauge should read between 80 and 100 degrees. When the fuel gauge reaches 60 to 70 degrees, you can now activate the burner. We're going to turn on all of our breakers. With all the breakers on, we can now activate our pump. Notice our pump pressure rose. Now we're going to head and turn on the water heater switch. Notice how we have 110, our low water cutoff, our flow switch is being made, our high limit is being made, our aquastat is getting ready to fire up. Aquastat, our burner is now running. On the burner, we're going to pay attention to ensure that the pump pressure meets this arrow. Our burner is now live. One common issue with these is that if the flow switch is not being made, It is usually due to not enough runs in your grid. Consider adding another loop onto the manifold. Once the unit is running, the burner is running, and all your glycol is flowing through your lines, you want to walk the lines and check for any leaks, any tears. You want to check your manifold. You want to check your entire grid system. In the event that there is a leak, you do want to repair or replace the line.